2 cups daily for 7 days for a completely flat stomach. How to make this powerful fat burning drink if you are having difficulties in burning that stubborn belly fat. Don't worry, nothing is wrong with you and you are not genetically cursed. And don't worry, you don't have to do special exercises or give up on your carbohydrates. Or if you wonder, do you eat the right food? That's not it, sugar isn't the problem. But you still ask yourself the same question, why you still have that ugly belly fat. After all those exercises for losing that belly fat and the diet you followed for a long time. Well, the good thing is that you can still have a flat and ripped stomach regardless of your hormones and genetics. And the answer is very simple, you just have to add this 3 ingredient mixture in your healthy diet. How to speed up that weight loss process and get rid of that stubborn belly fat. We can answer that question for you. Yes, today is your lucky day because we have the right answer to your problem. We are going to show you a miraculous drink that will help you speed up the weight loss process and help you get rid of that stubborn belly fat. And don't forget, without having a proper diet and without any physical activities, you can't lose that belly fat. This powerful fat burning drink will cleanse your body from all harmful toxins. It will help you remove that excess fat tissue. It also prevents water retention. It will improve your brain function as well. It will improve your eyesight, etc. You'll need the following ingredients. 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 cup of freshly made grapefruit juice. Directions. As we said, this homemade fat burning drink is very simple and easy to make. You just have to mix all the ingredients and your ultimate fat burning drink is ready. You need to consume this magical weight loss drink before lunch or dinner for 1 week. If you don't get the desired results, repeat the treatment for 1 more week. Note, you can also use orange juice instead of grapefruit if it's too bitter for your taste.